Model, 70-plate Vauxhall Vivaro L2 Sportive 2900 1.5, 100 PS, Turbo DS, SVAT included. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 151840. MOT, the 13th of September 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has ceased. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.